Allow me to share the pillars of Sindh's government's transformation. We want to strengthen public financial management. Good governance begins with fiscal discipline and transparency. Sindh is strengthening its public investment management system to ensure that development spending delivers real outcomes and not just allocations. We have improved project appraisals at the PC1 stage, rationalized our annual development plan to prioritize high impact and near completion schemes, and align provincial investments with national frameworks. Sindh is the only province where SDG units continue to function as a prism for all development schemes. We are aiming to improve project appraisal, reduce cost overruns, and ensure outcome-based budgeting. Our objective is clear. Every rupee must translate into measurable development impact. We are reforming the local government system. No governance reform is meaningful without empowering local governments. Way forward for us from 2026 to 2030, we are focusing on 5 strategic governance priorities. Digital first public service delivery, reducing human interface and increasing transparency. Number 2, climate-aligned public finance, integrating adaptation and mitigation into budgeting. Number 3, divisional headquarters and secondary intermediary governance reform for our secondary cities. Human capital acceleration. We all know that we've got a bulging youth and we need to make sure that we have jobs for all of them. And finally, strengthening fiscal sustainability, enhancing revenue mobilization and expenditure efficiency. I must also reiterate that we remain committed to deepening partnerships with development institutions, private investors, academia, and civil society in order to promote inclusive governance that keeps all stakeholders engaged. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan's governance challenge is complex, yet it is not insurmountable. We must move from fragmentation to coordination. We must move from subsidy-driven models to strategy-driven competitiveness. We must move from reactive governance to anticipatory governance. We must move from centralized control to empowered local institution. This forum gives us an opportunity to renew our social contract. Sindh stands ready to play its part as a partner in reform, as a driver of economic growth, as a province committed to inclusive development. Let me conclude with this thought. Governance is not about power. It is about responsibility. It is responsibility to the farmer in Nawab Shah. It is responsibility to the child in Ghodki. It is responsibility to the entrepreneur in Karachi. It is responsibility to the mother in Larkana. It is responsibility to the youth who look towards us for opportunity. It is responsibility to every citizen in every division, every district, every village of the province to ensure their social well-being and their inclusion in a system that supports their well-being from the day that they are born